Hey there, Linus from Gravitee. If you're an API provider that is exposing your API or event services to your customers, partners, or internal developers, having a great developer portal experience where people can discover and understand and view documentation and ultimately get access to APIs and events are quite important. In this case, we're looking at a fictional company called Acme in the distribution and shipment industry. So they're using Gravity's developer portal, and they can go through and set up different categories for different APIs, and of course go and understand the documentation for APIs, go and subscribe to APIs, view different sort of documentation and guidelines, and manage their applications. Now, to achieve something like this, a brandable, out-of-the-box, easy-to-use developer portal, what Gravitee allows customers to do is for API providers to come into the Gravitee console interface, click on the theme here, and then go and customize in a what you see is what you get type of mode. So let's say, for example, that I want to have this rating capability having another look and feel to it. What I can do is I can simply go in here and I can select, for example, rating, and maybe I want to have those stars appearing more in a gold color potentially. So all I need to do is select a color that I like. I can, of course, also change the size of the stars. So maybe something like this looks better for me. And then I can go ahead and save that and have that being updated in my developer portal. Some example uses of using this capability is in the shipment industry. So here we have one called Shipio. So different categories. You can go and find different sort of APIs that you want to interact with, whether that is to track data or maybe create an order for a shipment. And very similar process. You go through, you learn in documentation, and ultimately you get to subscribe to an API. So some brands decide to create their very brandable and integrated experience into maybe the rest of the website experience for the company. So here we have a Swiss Post, for example, and what their developer portal looks like. I can go in and find different APIs, view the documentation, view the different subscription plans. Another shipment company that does this is the PostNL, the Dutch postal services. Very similar approach, integrating that experience for a developer straight into the rest of the website and finding different APIs, navigating to them, understanding how to use them, and ultimately getting access to the APIs. So that's what Gravitee do. We help organizations to expose different API services, build these brandable experiences for your customers, partners, and developers, and make their experience great, and make you as the API provider have a strong governance, subscription, and access control management. Thank you so much for watching this video.